Hi, welcome to another session of CAT 19 Slot 2 Cont. So here we'll take a few questions. Try to solve on your own before you look at the solutions. Here you have two arithmetic progressions. Okay, here the difference between the terms of 4, so D is 4. Here the difference between terms of 5, so D is 5. Both are arithmetic progressions. So when you want to find a common term, the common terms will have a D of 20, which is the LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of 4 and 5 is 20, so common will have a D of 20. The first common term is 19. Okay, the last common term has to be less than 415. So 419 would have been common term, but that is not. The last common term will be 399 with a difference of 20 always. So you can make out this difference is 380. 380 upon 20 is 18 terms plus the first term. Sorry, 380 upon 20 is 19 terms plus the first term, which will give you 20 terms as the answer. B option. So look at the first term of AP, last term of AP, find a difference, divide by D, plus 1 will be number of terms. For just giving an example. For example, if you have terms like 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 to 7 is 7 minus 4, 3. Divide by D is 1, plus 1 will give you number of terms 4. Just to explain you the concept. Why plus 1 comes. Because if we include the first term also. So therefore 19 plus 1 will give you 20 terms as the answer in this. So when you say a square plus b square is 25, you know b square 25 is 5 square. Now I can first think of a Pythagoras theorem 3, 4, 5. So I can think of 3 square and 4 square. That's the first thing I'll think of. Same way 169 is 13 square. I can first think of 5 square and 12 square. 5, 12, 13 is a triplet. But 65 is, if you look at 5 into 13, no matter how I combine ax and by, you'll not get it. So I'll go back and check out how do I get 5 and 13. So I realized that I can also put 5 square and 0 square as 25. Here also I can put 13 square and 0 square as 169. In which case I can have 5 into 13 plus 0 as 65. This satisfies. If this satisfies, then try to put out here. You'll get k is equal to 0 minus 0, which is 0. So D option. There's always a trial and error that works on. So first I worked on 25 as 3 and 4, a square, b square, because of triplet, Pythagoras triplets. Same with 169. But that did not go. So you have to go back and check what other integers can give you 5 square. So 5 square plus 0 square and 13 square plus 0 square. The moment it clicks, you automatically get 5 into 13 as 65. And from that, you easily get the answer. You need to be good at substitution. I mean, CAT does check on substitution. Unfortunately, most of the people don't substitute values. But if you're good at substitution and confirming it fast, you can get the answer quickly. Mukesh purchased 10. This you can do it orally. Okay, 10 bicycles in 2017, all at the same price. Sold 6 bicycles at profit of 25 and 4 at a loss of 25. So 4 loss and 4 profit will cancel each other, right? Because the price is same, cost price is same. So that means we are selling at 2 at a profit. And the profit that comes is 2000 rupees. That means for one cycle the profit is 1000. One cycle the profit is 1000 and the profit is 25%. That means the cost price has to be 4000 for the profit to be 25%, because 1000 out of 4000 is 25%. Straight away get the answer is C. You can do this orally also. I mean, 2 cycles profit 2000, so one cycle 1000, 25% is the profit, so cost price becomes 4000. So here, if you look at this, there are 2 ways of solving. You can start with A, because we are given the score of A. So A scored 72. A was 10% less than B. That means B was 72 upon 0.9, which is 80. I mean, A was 10, means you get A is equal to B minus 10% of B. From that, you'll get 0.9 B. And from there, you get this. Now, they've said B was 25% more than C. So if B was 25% more than C, that means C will be B, that is 80 upon 1.25. If you solve this, you should get 64. Again, the same. You can use the same logic, you'll get 64. And C was 20% less than D. So which means D will be 64 upon 0.8, which will come to 80. You can get the answer as 80. You can also do this by assuming B as 100 and then cross multiply. That is also possible. So B is 100, A is 10% less, 90. B was 25% more than C, so which is C is 80, and score of C is 20% less than D, so you know D is 100. So 90 stands for 72, 100 stands for how much? We'll get 80. You can do this also, or you can do directly by solving it. Either way you can work on the sum. Salaries of Ramesh, Ganesh and Rajesh were 6, 5, 7. 6 is Ramesh, Ganesh is 5, Rajesh is 7. It becomes 3, 4, 3 in 2015. But we know Ramesh is increased by 25%. So Ramesh actually becomes 6 plus 25%. 25% of 6 is 1.5, which is 7.5. If Ramesh is 7.5, we know Ramesh and Rajesh are 3:3. So Rajesh also will be 7.5. Both are same. That means increase of Rajesh is just 0.5 out of 7 or 1 out of 14. I know 1 upon 7 is 14.28%. So 1 upon 14 has to be half of it, 7.24, 7.14%. So from the option we get B option as the answer straight away. You can do this orally as I said. 6, 25% more is 7.5. So Rajesh also is 7.5. 7 to 7.5 is 5.5 increase out of 7. 0.5 out of 7 is 1 out of 14, which we get as 7.14%. You should be comfortable with half to 1 by 11 or 1 by 12. This much fraction should be comfortable with. So moment I know 1 by 7, I can derive 1 by 14 immediately. Right? I hope this is clear. Thank you.